Yo, what is up, guys? In today's video, there is a new game called Mansion, and it is a game by Samson XVI. He has created Camping, Camping 2, and Hotel. I think that is it. Beside Mansion, of course. I believe that is it, but he makes some of these great story games, and he definitely started the trend of having like story type games. I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe he started that trend with camping. A lot of people have been inspired and have been making similar games, but I do think that he has created some of the best ones. So we're going to give this game a go and basically see how it is. Now, if you guys have not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to me. I'm going to try to be uploading more. Um, yeah, so let's go. Float in. Yeah, we have Hotel, Camping, Camping 2. Seems like we just sit at a table, that's how we start. This one is just about full. One more, I think. And there we go. Alright, now it's probably gonna, yep, take us in a new lobby. Meevil Mansion. I love the, like, curious music that's going on. Welcome to your new home. Yes. That is gorgeous. Lovely day to relax and watch TV. What's outside? This is supposed to be a oh. Oh, okay, we're not in the mansion yet. So me and these people are kind of like roommates, I guess. Is there anything in here? Oh yeah. Somebody is ringing the doorbell. Dinner. Jack Logan. Oh, hello, other people. We just all have the same, like, cookie cutter house. Alright. We're going to an event. I wonder where the event is. It's probably this way. My only critique about these games are the wait time is, like, really long. I guess that it's good to, like, create suspense and kind of make you think. And, like, you have time to, like, explore, I guess. But, if there was one thing I would change, I would make the wait times a little bit less. Especially in, First Camping. Like, that game was a very great game. It was, one of my favorite games. But the wait time was, like, so long. That's the one thing that I would change. Night is approaching. Oh my gosh. You know night in this game is it's not good. Yeah, the screen just goes black. Alright, I'm hoping that, I can survive at least. Goes into bedroom. Go to your garage. Well, I want to drive. Let me drive. Yeah. Let's go. Oh my god, this car. Why does the garage open like that? It's supposed to go upwards. Oh, hello. Oh yeah, let's go first. That's probably not good. Let's hit this cone for good luck. Oh my god. That was not good. Oh, you don't heal in these games too. Oh my god, why did I do that? Alright, well, make mistakes. What the heck is this road? I don't like it. What kind of construction is that? Oh, hello, random hitchhiker. Oh, those are flowers, never mind. You know, let's go this way. I'm gonna guess if you don't get to the mansion in time, then, some weird monster is gonna like get you or something. Alright. How far is it away? I like how the only road that like leaves that leaves from those houses just leads to this mansion. Alright, so I think that we're gonna see these people again. Yeah, okay, so the roads connect. Alright, I see stuff over there. I'm gonna guess that we're close. Yes, oh my gosh, that is terrifying. I'm excited, look at this. That is so scary. And there's a person in the window. Oh my gosh. Wait, can we look through the house? I can't really see anything. Idiot, you made me crash. Oh my gosh, this guy's health is just so bad. Idoit, Idoit. This person is very, very gorgeous. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, let's all just go inside with this terrifying music playing. Alright, please join me in the dining room. Yeah, this guy doesn't look creepy at all. Thank you all for coming. I wish it could all be here better under better circumstances. If you guys short. I'm surprised them of all people didn't show up. It's because half the lobby like left already. I need to go check on dinner. Oh my gosh. Time to leave and run as fast as you can. Like how literally everybody lost health except this guy. Alright. I can't jump out of my seat. Wait, can we look through the door? No. Let's go check on him. Wait, why is he there? Oh my god, is that a mask? Oh no, that's the dude, I think from Camping 2. That's the murderer guy. I'm betting, yeah, he's gonna stab somebody. I'm calling it. He's gonna do something. I'm pretty sure that's the murderer off of Camping 2. Oh my gosh. I'm 99% sure it is. Give him a hug. Oh my god, no, 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 no. What? Oh no, he's shooting me, he's shooting me. Ow. Is he still there? Oh my gosh. The music just makes it so much more intense than it really is. Alright, so what are we doing in here? He's gonna like come out of this box or something. Whoa. Whoa, guys, there's something in here. What? Wow, I literally found that before. That was really cool. Oh my gosh, what is this? Alright, so it seems like we're gonna go under, I think? Like in the room under there? Or just teleport or something. Alright. I'm curious where this goes from here. This guy has like murder weapons. Like torture devices in here. You can't be here, get out. Oh my god. That is terrifying. Where are we gonna go? Oh my gosh. Well, oh, that's terrifying. There's usually an obby in these games. I wonder if this is it. Get in corner. Why? A dungeon under the mansion. Oh my god, dude. Samson does a really good job of just putting the most like random stuff in here. You like never guess what happens. It's like so weird. Oh my god. Oh, I thought those were all people dying. Jump. 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 Alright, not bad. A ladder that we cannot go up yet. Oh, this kid's about to die. And he died. Rip. F. F chain for Noah. Got like a mouse hole in here. Get on table? What? Why? My cart. What? There's spider to kill you. What? Alright, what's in here? Oh my god. That spider is so funny. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of them. Standing here is working pretty well for me, I guess. Oh. Oh yeah, dance party with the spiders. How are these people dying? That's a rip. Oh my god, she died too. That's just me and this guy. Good luck. Alright, I'm gonna guess we're gonna go upstairs. Near the stairs. He's probably gonna come out of this door or something. Oh, maybe not. Oh my gosh. Bruh! Bruh. It's just me. No! It literally shut on me. Alright, I'm really confused. Oh my god, no, no, no. Oh my god, I'm really close to dying. Nope. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I think they move every once in a while, I think. I gotta wait until an opening happens or something. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's over. There's literally no way out. Well, I think I'm going to die here. Oh wait, no, I can go this way. Oh. Did I win? I'm about to die. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, it always ends like really abruptly and like you don't expect it. But alright guys, that concludes the video, I guess. We beat it. We were the only one, but we beat it. We're about to die. But all in all, compared to like camping, I still think the original camping was my favorite. But I don't know. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing videos. Check out my Discord server, link in the description below, along with my fan group and fan shirts. They're amazing. Let me know if you'd like more videos like this. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. And peace, guys.